If you want to take a screenshot without buttons on your Google Pixel 10, then we have two main ways that allow us to do so. You can, for example, open any app that you want to take the screenshot of. And now if we go to background apps, you should be able to find the screenshot button. So we can tap over here in order to take the screenshot of the selected app. Unfortunately, this is quite limiting because we cannot really take a screenshot, for example, of the home screen. And there is another way to take a screenshot without buttons, but first we need to open settings. Over here, we're gonna scroll down to System, then go to Gestures, and open Quick Tap to start actions. And over here, we can enable Quick Tap and select Take Screenshot for this feature. So now when we double tap the back of the phone, somewhere in the middle, let's see if it works. Maybe a little bit lower, there we go. And most of the time you have to tap on the Google logo at the back of the phone in order to make it work. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.